Hello friends, my name is Deep Modi and today we are going to show you how to make an digital clock in C programming. Let's start how to make it. Using Android devices not easy. Has include dos.h. This is a header file. Has include conio.h. Enter. Void main. Enter. We are going to declare variables integer h, hour, minute and second. Enter. CLR clear screen. Enter. For h is equal to 1, using the for loop, h less than or equal to 12 space h plus plus. Enter. Enter. And then again write CLR SCR. Enter space for s is equal to 1 space, this is for hour and this is for minute. That cause we are going to use m is equal to 1 space m less than or equal to 59 and then m plus plus. Enter. The third for loop. Before the declaring the third for loop, please notice that you need to use CLR SCR. CLR SCR. Enter. For s is equal to 1 space s less than or equal to 59 and then s plus plus. Enter. Complete the brackets. Enter. and then write go to x and y 8 and then write printf h ss and then /n for new line and then write again go to xy 8 9 complete the bracket and then printf %d space %d space %d dash hour dash minute dash second enter sleep sleep 1. Okay, and then complete the for loop. Enter. Okay, let's try to compile it. Okay, you can see that there is no error and run it. Hour, minute and second. You can see that there is a minute and there is a second. The second is increases with the 1 and we set the hour and minute at point 1 and 1. After the 60 minute, the after the 60 second, the minute will be increased with the 1. We will wait for a minute. Waiting for complete. You can see that the minute is increased with the 1. After the 60 minutes, the hour will be increased with the 1. Thank you for watching this video and please subscribe my channel. If you have any doubt for it, please comment us. Thank you.